For Nebraska football, the hunt for a national championship begins today. National Signing Day is in the books, and Daniels, as you just saw, one of the 20 new Huskers making it official today that they'll be playing their college ball in Lincoln. And here's a look at the full 2017 recruiting class. Those first 5 names are already enrolled and taking classes on campus in Lincoln. 6'8" tight end Austin Allen from Aurora, one of 4 new Huskers from the state of Nebraska. Some other big gets for the Big Red: 4-star wideout from Las Vegas, Tyjon Lindsey, and the last signee of the day, 4-star defensive back from Florida, Elijah Blades. KMTV Sports Director Adam Kruger has more on the Huskers' hectic day from Lincoln.
The Huskers announced a scholarship class of 20 new players Wednesday here at Memorial Stadium. The class is highlighted by 4 4-star players out of the state of California.
We did really well in California. I mean, we were down to today, you saw it, right, with a bunch of really good players. And I don't mind that. You know, I hate losing at the end, but I think it just proves once again that we got what, 4 guys that wanted to come. We're after the right people. Elijah Blades is one of those guys that we got at the end. So, and Tyjon Lindsey, same thing. I mean, 2 pretty high-profile recruits that chose Nebraska. So we're doing the right thing.
According to one report, Nebraska will hire former NU defensive back Daniel Bullocks as the new safeties coach. When I asked Mike Riley about it, he admitted he interviewed a candidate on Wednesday, saying he'd like to make the hire sooner rather than later. Covering the Huskers at Memorial Stadium, Adam Kruger, KMTV Sports.
Thanks, Adam. So Nebraska bringing in players from places like California, Texas, Florida, and even right here in the Metro. After leading the T-Birds to their first state title in school history, Bellevue West's Jalen Bradley will be taking his talents to Lincoln.
It was a dream that I've been working towards since I was in 8th grade. You know, once I got that phone call, you know, my dream just came true.
Another homegrown product officially signing with Nebraska today, and he's got an even shorter trip than Jalen Bradley. Lincoln East offensive lineman Chris Walker. The Lincoln native received his offer from NU only a few weeks ago.
Growing up in Nebraska, this is always every Nebraska kid's dream, so it's a good feeling. I certainly wasn't expecting an offer, so it was a good feeling to get one.